There are several ways to make money with Amazon, depending on your skills, resources, and interests. Here are some of the most popular methods. 1. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. How it works: you source products, send them to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon handles the storage, shipping, customer service, and returns. You sell products through Amazon, and they take a cut for the service. Why it's profitable: you leverage Amazon's vast logistics network and marketplace traffic, which can make it easier to scale a product-based business. How to get started: find a product niche, use tools like JungleScout or Helium 10 to analyze product demand. Source your products via manufacturers or wholesalers, often from platforms like Alibaba. Send products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. List your products on Amazon and start promoting them. 2. Amazon Affiliate Marketing, Amazon Associates. How it works: you promote Amazon products on your blog, website, or social media. When someone clicks your affiliate link and buys a product, you earn a commission. Why it's profitable: you don't need to handle products, inventory, or customer service. You simply focus on driving traffic and earning commissions. How to get started: sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Create a content platform, blog, YouTube, Instagram, etc. around a niche you're passionate about. Share links to relevant Amazon products within your content. Focus on generating traffic through SEO, social media, and email marketing. 3. Sell handmade products on Amazon, Amazon Handmade. How it works: if you create handmade items, Amazon Handmade allows you to sell them on its platform, similar to Etsy. Why it's profitable: Amazon's handmade platform offers a global marketplace, and you can reach a wider audience than smaller niche platforms. How to get started: apply to join Amazon Handmade. Set up your shop and list your handmade products. Market your shop through social media and other channels to drive traffic. 4. Amazon Merch on Demand. How it works: Amazon Merch allows you to upload designs for t-shirts, hoodies, and other merchandise. When customers buy your designs, Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. Why it's profitable: there's no upfront cost, and you earn royalties on every sale without having to manage inventory. How to get started: apply for an invitation to join Amazon Merch. Upload your artwork and choose the products to sell. Promote your designs to drive sales. 5. Self-publish with Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. How it works: if you're a writer or have content ideas, you can self-publish ebooks, paperbacks, or audiobooks on Amazon's Kindle platform. You retain control over the pricing and earn royalties on each sale. Why it's profitable: Amazon has a huge built-in audience, and publishing costs are low or non-existent. How to get started: write your book or create content, fiction, non-fiction, guides, etc. Format it and upload it to Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Market your book through social media, email lists, and Amazon's advertising platform. 6. Retail arbitrage. How it works: you buy products from retail stores or online platforms at a discount, then resell them for a profit on Amazon. Why it's profitable: you take advantage of price discrepancies between retailers and Amazon, flipping products for a profit. How to get started: research products with high demand and low competition on Amazon. Buy these products from physical or online stores at a lower price, Walmart, Target, discount stores, etc. List them for sale on Amazon and fulfill orders either through FBA or by shipping directly to customers. 7. Amazon Virtual Assistant, VA. How it works: many Amazon sellers need help with tasks like product research, listing optimization, customer service, and more. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant for Amazon sellers. Why it's profitable: you can offer specialized services and charge for your expertise in managing Amazon businesses. How to get started: build skills related to Amazon, product research, keyword optimization, PPC campaigns, etc. Create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Market your services to Amazon sellers looking for help. 8. Amazon Flex. How it works: Amazon Flex allows you to work as a delivery driver, delivering packages for Amazon. Why it's profitable: you can make money in your spare time, working flexible hours. How to get started: sign up for Amazon Flex. Choose shifts and deliver packages in your area. Earn money based on the number of deliveries you complete. 9. Amazon Influencer Program. How it works. If you have a large social media following, you can create an Amazon Influencer storefront where you recommend products and earn a commission when followers make purchases through your links. Why it's profitable. You can monetize your social media presence without needing to deal with products directly. How to get started. Apply for the Amazon Influencer Program. Create your storefront and start curating product lists. Share your storefront and product recommendations with your audience through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. 10. Amazon Services. How it works. If you're a service provider, like a plumber, electrician, or cleaner, you can offer your services through Amazon Home Services. Why it's profitable. Amazon helps connect you with customers looking for professionals in your area. How to get started. Sign up for Amazon Home Services. List your service offerings and service area. Respond to customer inquiries and job requests. 11. Amazon Trade-in Program. How it works. You can trade in eligible electronics, books, video games, and other items in exchange for Amazon gift cards. Why it's profitable. You can easily convert unused items into gift cards to use on Amazon, though this isn't direct cash. How to get started. Visit the Amazon Trade-in page. Check if your item is eligible. Ship the item to Amazon for free, and get a gift card once it's processed. Each of these methods has its own potential, depending on your goals and the amount of time and capital you're willing to invest. What interests you the most?